Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check descriptions on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you want to check the description of a book, just click to the ebooks button in the home screen and select a book. Click a book, yes, and click to the continue button, and in the description you can read a short text about the book. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.